The field of technology is ever evolving. Newer, faster, and better developments keep taking place with every passing year. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly a groundbreaking invention. Although primitive forms of AI have been around since the 1950s, it wasn't until recently that it achieved its boom. And now, AI is slowly taking over the world of technology. So, what is this technology, and why do we fear that it carries the potential to outperform humans? All of that and much more will be discussed in today's video. So to find out if AI will beat humans at everything, let's get into the details. What is artificial intelligence? AI is a technology that enables machines to perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. It is already being used in many different industries and has the potential to revolutionize every facet of our lives. The term was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. He was concerned about how computers would mimic human intelligence in the future. AI is already used in many different industries and has made work easier and error-free in many respects. It can be used for everything from self-driving cars and autonomous weapon systems to personal assistants like Siri or Alexa. To summarize how AI works, let's just say that it works by combining large amounts of data with intelligent algorithms, learning from patterns and features of that data, analyzing it, and drawing predictions. While processing the prompt data, it not only works on it, but improves its performance over time. OpenAI. OpenAI is one of the many companies that base their work on AI. Its mission is to ensure that artificial intelligence benefits all of humanity. They have come up with famous applications like DALL-E and CLIP and language generation models like GPT that are changing the course of artificial intelligence. The company started out in 2015 with Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and other mighty investors as the founders. $1 billion were pledged to the venture. Although Musk left as one of the heads, he continues to fund the company's endeavors. Two of the most innovative applications that OpenAI has created are DALL-E and CLIP. These applications are actually text generation and image generation AI that have taken the world by storm. Text and image generation AI. Text generation artificial intelligence is a system that generates text based on an input. It can be used for various purposes, like generating news articles and other texts for news publications, creating content for social media marketing, or even writing. DALL-E is image generation software. Not only can it produce images from scratch, but it can also regenerate images that you put into the system. It is fascinating how AI can produce images on a simple text prompt. Another remarkable feature is that it's also able to interpolate. This means you can make the AI insert an object into a pre-existing image without tampering with the image itself, or even delete a component from it. The release of this application has brought up genuine fears for the future job security of designers and artists. Next is CLIP. It is basically the opposite of DALL-E. It creates a text description from an image prompt provided. Short for Contrastive Language Image Pertaining, CLIP can be used to find the text snippet that best represents a given image. Basically, it can easily describe any given image with accuracy. CLIP has several applications like scanning for illegal content, copyright violations, and even advanced photo library deduplicator. It can even be used in object tracking, for example, to track similar objects in frames of a video. Generative model. OpenAI has also launched a series of language models based on transformer architecture. It has been used to create articles, poetry, stories, news reports, and dialogues using a very small amount of input used to produce large amounts of copy. GPT is a language that produces remarkably human-like text. The latest model, GPT-3, is the updated version of the former GPT-2 and GPT-1. The most impressive feature of the GPT-3 is that it is a meta-learner. It understands learning features and learns from experience. Although GPT-3 is an amazing AI, it can also be used in the wrong ways. For example, in a recent controversy, GPT-3 was found to be biased by race, gender, and religion, all pointing fingers towards its training data. It can also create fake news because it writes so well that it can easily be misunderstood as human-made. Many other potential dangers are its environmental costs because its carbon footprint is huge, blue-collar job losses where some estimates predict that AI could replace nearly 40 to 50% of the worker in 15 to 20 years. Even Microsoft has teamed up with OpenAI to license GPT-3. The possibilities of innovative outcomes with both Microsoft and OpenAI joining hands are limitless. Only time will tell how they will produce better and more intelligent AI-powered applications in the future. Is AI replacing humans? Should we be concerned about the rise of artificial intelligence because it may replace a lot of jobs? Right now, we can do almost any kind of job, from manual labor to software development and legal work. It's not clear when exactly robots and AI will do these jobs, if they ever will, so we need to figure out how to prepare for that day. One way we can prepare is by ensuring humans are at the forefront of AI research, so that when these technologies become mainstream, not just for one company or industry, but for everyone, they're designed with us in mind. Humans are bound to make mistakes and errors. Conditions as simple as sleep deprivation, stress, and even boredom can slow our minds and make us blunder. But artificial intelligence can solve this issue. AI will take over the boring, dangerous, and repetitive jobs that humans have been doing for years. This will make human employees more productive and happy, while saving companies time and money as they won't have to hire human employees who underperform or make mistakes. It may worry many, but we can't avoid the AI takeover. Humans will have to evolve with this technology. Future of AI. Is the future of AI bright? Well, as of now, it looks like it is. We are beginning to see the full potential of what AI can do and how it can change our lives. As AI continues to develop and evolve, it will start to become more like what we know and love about ourselves, which means that it will start to resemble our own brains in many ways. This is good news for humans. If AI becomes more like us, it can serve as an assistant or personal assistant rather than a complete replacement for us. This means that we can continue working while getting help with things like chores or remembering appointments, and maybe we'll even get better at our jobs. We already see some amazing advancements in AI and machine learning every day. With advances like these, it's not hard to imagine how amazing life could be if we had more access to AI than ever before. What do you think about AI taking over human jobs? Tell us in the comment section. That's it for today. We hope you found our video inspiring. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Finally, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.